When starting out with DeskTime, it's only natural to want to skip the settings and get to the good stuff, starting to track time in your organization. Rather than waste time figuring out how to set up time tracking software for your team, follow our step-by-step tutorial to hit the ground running. First, we created an account. To start off, click Sign Up and fill in your details. Select who will be using the tool. I'll choose whole company. Then, indicate which team categories should already be set up. I'll choose marketing and IT. These can be changed and edited with time, but indicating them now will save us some time in the long run. Alternatively, you can choose without team, and everyone will be placed in the same category. This just means that any settings applied later on will be applied to everyone. Send your teammates and admins who will be testing the solution invitations to join. Use this opportunity to already assign them to a category. Choose which features you'll use the most. You'll be able to use them all, but choose which ones you want to be turned on. Then, download the desktop app. This is the most important part of DeskTime because it actually does the tracking. Click Download and install the app to your computer. Then launch the app, sign in, and you're tracking time. Now you're in. You can see an overview of your team members. There's no data yet because we haven't collected any data yet. Add more team members to your account to start seeing the benefits of time tracking. You can do that by clicking the green Add Team Member button in the top right of the screen. Start collecting data. Once you're logged into the desktop app, you'll see an icon appear at the bottom right of your screen. You're officially collecting data now. You can do many things from this icon. You can access your DeskTime account by clicking Show DeskTime. You can create and start running a project, which will categorize any time spent during that time into that project. This can come in handy when estimating project time for agencies billing by the hour. You can set private time, which stops DeskTime from tracking any data while you're in private time. You can set the intervals at which you want to receive reminders for breaks, because taking breaks is a key aspect to a productive day. And you can log out of DeskTime. One thing to keep in mind is that once you've logged into the desktop app, then it will automatically start tracking time every time you use the computer during set tracking hours. It doesn't require being launched every day, it will do that automatically. However, if you choose to log out, you'll have to log back in to resume time tracking. Now we've successfully started to track time. Theoretically, we can stop here. You can go about your time as your data is already being tracked. You can then check back into your DeskTime dashboard and see how you and your team are doing. You can also go into your settings and configure your settings to tailor them to your company's own needs. But that's a whole other beast, and we'll be sure to dive into that at a later time. In the meantime, leave us a comment below on which settings you would like us to go more into depth on. And if you'd like more time tracking videos like these, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Bye! Hey YouTube, thanks for watching. Make sure to check out our other videos. You'll find everything you need to know on office productivity. And while you're at it, subscribe. We put out new videos every Thursday.